Looking for a powerful gaming PC that doesn't take up your entire desk space? Well, mini PCs in 2026 have completely changed the game. These tiny machines can now handle modern gaming, streaming, editing, and even AI workloads, all while staying compact and energy efficient. In today's video, I'll walk you through the top 5 best gaming mini PCs you can buy right now. We'll cover performance, features, pros and cons, and who each one is best for. Make sure you stick around until the end, because the last mini PC on this list is easily the most powerful and future-ready option. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. ACEMAGICIAN Kron Mini K1 Mini PC. This mini PC is powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 7735HS processor, which can boost up to 4.75 GHz. It comes with 24 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and a 512 GB SSD, which is a solid configuration for most users. In terms of gaming, this system performs very well in esports titles like Valorant, CS2, Apex Legends, and Fortnite. You can expect smooth frame rates on medium to high settings. For AAA games, you'll need to lower the settings to medium or low, mainly because this relies on integrated graphics. But for everyday gaming, streaming, and multitasking, it holds up really well. This is the kind of mini PC you can use for gaming, browsing, editing documents, watching 4K videos, and even light video editing, all without any major slowdowns. The triple 4K display support is a big plus if you want a multi-monitor setup. Pros: strong CPU performance for the price. Compact and clean design, triple display support. If you're just getting into PC gaming or want a compact setup for casual use, this is a very solid choice. Number 2. OCuLink AMD AI9 HX470 Mini Gaming PC. This mini PC is powered by the AMD AI9 HX470 processor paired with Radeon 890M graphics. It can come with up to 48 GB DDR5 RAM and a 1 TB SSD. This is where things start to get serious. You can play modern AAA games at much higher settings compared to entry-level mini PCs. The performance jump is noticeable, especially in GPU-heavy titles. But what really sets this apart is its AI capability. This system is designed for AI acceleration, making it perfect for creators, developers, and advanced users. You get Wi-Fi 7, HDMI 2.1, USB4, and even OCuLink support, which means you can connect an external GPU for even more performance. This makes it extremely future-proof. Pros: very powerful performance, AI-ready hardware, latest connectivity options. If you want a mini PC that can handle gaming today and AI tasks tomorrow, this is a fantastic investment. Number 3. GMKtec M6 Ultra Mini PC. This system runs on the AMD Ryzen 5 7640HS processor and comes with 32 GB DDR5 RAM and a 1 TB SSD. This mini PC is all about balance. It handles most modern games at decent settings and performs very well in productivity tasks like video editing, browsing, and multitasking. It's not designed for ultra-high gaming performance, but it's more than enough for most users. One standout feature is the dual 2.5 GBE LAN ports. This makes it ideal for networking, server setups, or even small office environments. It also supports triple 4K displays, which is great for productivity. Pros: excellent value for money, strong multitasking performance, good connectivity options. If you want a reliable and affordable mini PC that can do a bit of everything, this is a great pick. Number 4. GMKtec M7 Ultra Mini Gaming PC. This one is powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 Pro 6850UR processor, along with 32 GB DDR5 RAM and fast SSD storage. Out of the box, performance is solid for everyday tasks and moderate gaming, but the real highlight here is the OCuLink support. Why OCuLink matters? With OCuLink, you can connect an external GPU. That means you can transform this compact mini PC into a full gaming powerhouse when needed. So instead of replacing your PC in the future, you can simply upgrade the GPU externally. Pros: external GPU support, strong CPU performance, future upgrade flexibility. This is perfect for users who want a small PC now but plan to upgrade later. Number 5. MINISFORUM Mini 1 Pro AI Mini PC. This system is powered by the Intel Core Ultra 9 285HS processor, combined with Intel Arc 140T GPU, 32GB DDR5 RAM, and 1TB SSD. This is not just a gaming PC, it's a high-performance workstation. You can run AAA games, edit 4K videos, stream content, and even run AI models without any issues. The performance here is on a completely different level compared to other mini PCs. It supports quad display output, has Wi-Fi 7, dual USB4 ports, and 2.5G LAN. It's built for professionals, creators, and serious gamers. Pros: top-tier performance, excellent for gaming and AI, premium build quality. If you want the absolute best mini PC in 2026 and budget is no issue, this is the one to get. So, that was the list of the top 5 best gaming mini PCs in 2026. Here's a quick recommendation. If you're on a budget, go for the ACEMAGICIAN Kron Mini K1. If you want balanced performance, the GMKtec M6 Ultra is a great choice. If you want maximum power and future-proofing, the MINISFORUM Mini 1 Pro AI Mini PC is the winner. All product links are in the description below so you can check current prices and deals. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.